Fanttik just sent us their V10 Mate for our review, and I'm pretty excited. This is my first time ever seeing it, ever trying it. Let's open it up together. I'm pretty excited. I love vacuums. I love when they are very cool looking and futuristic. Fanttik never disappoints with that kind of stuff. So let's see right away. I can't wait. So Fanttik also usually has incredible packaging. So look at that, a really nice pouch, of course. Ooh, it's big. All right, let's see everything that it comes with. This is pretty cool. Oh yeah. So I've got a filter here. Everything is proper packaged. Look at this big thing. This takes 2 hours to charge, gives you about 30 minutes of runtime, and it looks so futuristic. Again, first time I've ever seen this thing. It's super cool. Let's see how you open it up. And that's all you need to do is press and click into that button right here, and 7 positions. So you could really, if you wanted to, vacuum like this, or I'm gonna keep it in that position. Look how gorgeous that thing is. It's really, really pretty. It is the V10 Mate. 2 hours, again, gives you 30 minutes of runtime. If you go on Boost, it'll give you 13 minutes, just so you know. So they do provide you with an extra filter. The filter is already installed right in there. And how you get to it is you just release this, and the whole thing comes out, and the filter is right there, as you can see. Really well built. Again, Fanttik never disappoints. Let's see how it works. So long press, and the power, and we should have it turn on just like that. I'm at 44%, so this just came out of the box, 44%, and I can go turbo and normal. So of course, I'm hoping you can hear this. It's pretty wild. So I just turned it off because I want to show you some other stuff that it comes with. It does come with, of course, your different nozzles. If you want to do it in your car, on a couch, anything like that. And of course, the USB-C to recharge it. It's a really pretty unit. Of course, the USB-C right there to recharge. I love the look of it. The dustbin is 500 milliliters, so it's a big dustbin. It actually will contain quite a bit. Yeah, again, like I said, Fanttik doesn't make just gorgeous products, but they work. They're really powerful. This one is no different than everything else that they make. Wow, look at this.